Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to introduce you to the fascinating world of solar energy. If you've ever wondered how the power of the sun can be harnessed to generate electricity, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Solar energy is a renewable and sustainable source of power derived from the sun. It's clean, abundant, and has numerous benefits for both the environment and our wallets. So, how does it work? Solar panels, also known as photovoltaic (PV) panels, are made up of multiple solar cells. These cells are typically made of silicon and have a special property: they can convert sunlight directly into electricity through the photovoltaic effect. When sunlight hits the solar cells, it excites the electrons within the silicon atoms, causing them to move and generate an electric current. This current is then captured and converted into usable electricity. Solar panels can be installed on rooftops, in large solar farms, or even integrated into everyday objects like solar-powered chargers. The energy generated can be used to power homes, businesses, and even entire communities. One of the major advantages of solar energy is its environmental impact. Unlike traditional fossil fuels, solar energy production doesn't release harmful greenhouse gases, reducing our carbon footprint and helping combat climate change. Solar energy can also save you money in the long run. While the initial installation costs can vary, solar panels can significantly reduce or eliminate your electricity bills. Additionally, there may be government incentives, tax credits, and net metering programs available to make solar energy more affordable. Solar energy is a versatile technology that can be used in various applications, from residential and commercial buildings to remote areas with limited access to the grid. It's a reliable and sustainable solution that empowers communities worldwide. So, whether you're passionate about protecting the environment, looking to save money, or simply curious about the power of the sun, solar energy is an incredible technology worth exploring. That's it for our introduction to solar energy. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on solar energy and other renewable technologies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.